Welcome to Leo 3D Jewelry. Today I'm sharing the 3D design and render method for these earrings. Using the custom center radius 20 mm, offset curve, offset inwards 3 mm. Using the polyline tilt 45 degrees. Vertical mirror the line and trim the circle. Delete or hide the lines. Select 2 curves to loft. Open the grasshopper and adjust the window. Find Gradient Möbius Flow tool from Workbox. Pick Surface and use Polygon Mirror Curve. You can draw the desired effect now. For example, I draw curves that look like gears. Grab Curve, created a Möbius gear. I think it's too thick. Adjust it though. I'll adjust the curves if I need to set gems. Relax, just remove the excess and tweak it a bit. That's what I need. If the spiral's not effective enough, I'll adjust it here. Find Extract the ISO curve in Curve Tools. Start by choosing the right direction. Move the range slider to adjust curve to the center of the notch. The curve I made has 4 notches, so it needs 4 curves. It depends on the number of notches and is not a fixed value. Find Gem on Curve from Gem Tools. If gem orientation is wrong, flip gem orientation, adjusting the start and end positions of the gem's arrangement. Height can adjust its position. Find Fixed Seed Prong from Gem Tools. Prong will appear after connecting. Grasshopper can be adjusted at any time. Bake it if you like it. They are independent and need to be baked separately. Hide unwanted objects. Duplicate face border and adjust the edge curves. This side serves as a sidebar, so it doesn't retain the notch. Adjust the size and use surface from planar curves. Next, offset surface 0.8 mm. Use vertical mirror. Use extrude straight. Make a hinge bit in here. Adjust the size and position. Extensions the circle. Use Boolean difference. Get this extension object. Copy and reduce the circle. Use surface from planar curves. Extending surfaces into objects. Make a copy to the right. Vertical mirror and adjust to the proper thickness. Select the curve of the sidebar. Extend again. Flip direction of the surface. Boolean it so that it articulates smoothly. Delete this object. We need a fixture. Use vertical mirror curve. Looks like horseshoes. Place it in this position and adjust the angle. Use extrude straight 0.8 mm. Too much staggering. Move it up. Use cap planar holes. Use simple curve, adjust the curvature. Use pipe, input pipe diam. Wait a minute. I'll show you how it works. This is the movable part. Break it open for wearing. Close it for secure it. This is the structure of the hinge. Use fillet edge can be edge rounding. Select edges to be rounded as needed. If other edges are missed, this instruction can be executed multiple times. Next, create the scene needed for rendering. Use simple curves and trim the plane. Curve as a dividing line. I want to keep the top part and the bottom part can be deleted. Copying the model and placing it. It's easy here. Speed up and skip it. Assign the model to a different layer for ease of change materials. Don't forget the gems. Put them in different groups. Use bend to plane. I want it to bend from here. It's out of position. Let's make a quick adjustment. Make it look like it's hanging from the plane. Create another plane as a background. Use Bridge tool, send a model to Keyshot. Waiting for model import. Assign the metals first, and I hope they're matte. Gold, rose, gold, and platinum. Assign the gems materials we're going to open in the scene item. Drag and drop the gems material into the group. Turn on GPU mode for more efficient rendering. The NURB surface is gone. Use retessellate. Tessellation custody is 0.2 would be better. Use leather material and color is white. Bump textures is too big. Adjust it though. It's the same material and different color. Change the scale of the bump textures. A versus_bathroom environments is useful for me, but I don't want to see the environment in my shots. Move the backboard forward. I want to see the shadows. Proper shadows add texture to the image. Adjust the rotation so that the shadows appear where you want them to. Don't let the colors of the environment affect the picture. Change perspective/focal length. Add more lights to make the jewelry a little brighter. You can't just hit too many lights either. If there is no contrast between light and dark, the texture of the metal will be poor. As you can see, the metal and gemstone effects are good enough. Adjust the image. Adjust according to the screen, not suitable for fixed values. Don't worry about making a mistake. My values are different every time. Be yourself. Maybe what I like isn't what you want. Bloom and vignette brighten jewelry and darken edges. Someone wanted to learn animation section, starting by easy part. Add a orbit animation. We can adjust the degree of rotation. This sharing is over. Thank you for watching.